So my dear students, let us start. This is lesson 3. So in this lesson we will study about internet. Okay, this internet. So let us start. So this introduction says internet is a collection of millions of computers. Okay. So what happened on over the internet? Millions of computers are connected to each other to communicate, to share the files, folders, many more things, right? And these computers are connected either by telephone lines, broadband, satellite, and other means. Many more means are there through the connection. Okay, and what we can do over the internet, we can access the information. Suppose we want to know something, so we can search over the internet. We can get the latest updates. Okay, we can get the latest news updates, whatever is going on in the world. Send and receive messages such as email, online shopping we can do, we can download pictures, songs, videos, we can send greeting cards, and many more things we can do that. Chatting, visiting websites, transferring money, and many more things, right? Next is this is the internet. I discussed that, and I told that on internet we can send the messages, right, by email. So this email we have to discuss. So email is electronic mail, right? We are calling it electronic a mail. Why we are calling? Because it is in soft copy form. It is available in the computer, inside the computer, right? So we can send a message from one system to another all over the world within few seconds. You need just a connection of you need just a internet connection, and you can send by the help, just by the one click you can send your message in all over the world, right? So many more advantages are there. So remember here something is given that it is one of the fastest way of communication. In fact, the ordinary mail in these days is called the snail mail when compared to email, because it's slow speed. Why we are calling it snail? You know snail, right? So snail, it just walk very slowly, right? So same way we are calling it snail, that is ordinary mail. Why we are calling? Because it has a very slow speed. If you send a ordinary mail, so it takes around 1 week, and even you cannot send in a word. You need more permissions, right? In India, if you want to send from one corner to another corner, so it takes 1 week around that. So what are the advantages of this email? So it is one of the fastest means of conveying our messages, right? Fastest, within seconds we can send. It is not only a means of fast communication but also cost effective. Even there is no cost. In ordinary mail you will have to spend some money. Third, it does not matter whether your message consists of a few lines, of pages, or many pages. Even you can send it. You can attach the file, right? Fourth, we can send the same messages to many people at the same time without any additional cost. But if you want to send ordinary, you will have to pay money as per the number of persons. But for that, what to do? You will have to just write the address of that person, and then you can send that, right? So in order to send and receive, you need on internet, you need address, email ID, right? You as well as your receiver, whoever will get your mail, right? So what are the email IDs? Let us see that. So email programs may be free or paid. Some companies provide the free service, some companies take money for that, right? So you will have to make an email account for that to use. To send an email over the internet, you will have to make a email account, right? So there are many websites like Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Hotmail, Rediff Mail. You can make your Gmail account and then you can send the mail, right? Okay, so remember, if you have email, so you will have to use username and your password, then you can use that account, personal account. It's just like bank account. Next, what facilities you get of the email programs? You get inbox, where mails are stored, which you get that. Compose, where you write the new message, send whatever you want to send the message, reply, if you want to reply the received message, forward if you want to get that message to some other person to send that, delete if you want to delete the selected message or whatever want, context the email address of the person, further person, right? So you can see that these options are given here. This is compose, email, contact, many more options are there, right? So these are the most important one. Reply, right? Forward, like that. Okay, so this is all about this one. Next part we will study about email address. Okay, so thanks for watching.